In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw trend lines on WhiteBIT charts. Trend lines are one of the most commonly used charting tools in technical analysis. They can help you identify the general direction of the market by connecting important price highs or lows on a chart. To get started, tap Trade on the main navigation menu and click Spot. Once you're on the trading interface, locate the price chart. WhiteBIT uses an interactive chart that includes a variety of drawing and analysis tools. On the left side of the chart, you'll find the Drawing toolbar. Click on it to view the available drawing tools, then select the Trend Line tool. With the Trend Line tool selected, move your cursor to the point on the chart where you'd like your line to begin. This is often placed at a significant swing low in an uptrend or a major swing high in a downtrend. Click once to set the starting point of the trend line. Then move your cursor to the next point you want to connect and click again to place the end of the line. Your trend line will immediately appear on the chart. If needed, you can click on the line to adjust its position by dragging either endpoint until it aligns with the price movement you'd like to analyze. You can draw multiple trend lines on the same chart to identify different levels of support and resistance or to highlight both short-term and long-term market trends. If you want to customize the appearance of a trend line, select it and look for the available editing options. Depending on the chart tools available, you may be able to change the line color, thickness, style, or extend the line further across the chart. If you make a mistake or no longer need a trend line, simply select it and choose the Delete or Remove option. You can always create a new one whenever you need it. And that's how to draw trend lines on WhiteBIT charts.